This is a short film taken during the second part of a digital football heroes training session at Porth Y Felin Primary School in Conwy with Conwy Borough Football Club. Digital Communities Wales, alongside Vi-Ability, created the bespoke digital football hero training to form part of the More Than a Club project. More Than a Club is a joint project between the Football Association of Ireland and Welsh social enterprise Vi-Ability. It aims to work with social professional football clubs in Ireland and Wales to help them set up standalone social enterprises which will address social needs within disadvantaged communities. The first part of the training was classroom based, with the second part taking place on the football field. Lessons learnt inside were reinforced outside. It was based on the digital heroes training from Digital Communities Wales.
Right, I'm here with Kelly Davies from More Than a Club. And what we're doing today is
we're teaching young people how to learn about digital inclusion and being safe online through football.
right. Well, that's really into it. I work for Wales Cooperative during Digital Communities Wales, and when you contacted us, and this sounded initially it sounded a bit off the wall, football and digital. But it seems to work really well. I hate to say it's a game of two halves, but we have had a classroom activity where we've been teaching people about internet safety, and then they come out and reinforce that in a different way.
Yeah, so the idea is to take what we've learned in the classroom and then put it into principle on the football field by doing different activities that relate back to it. So for example, if we're teaching them how to have a really strong password, and that actually having a weak one is not that great. When they've got a weak password, they have to take the penalty.
Carry on.
This is perfect. So if they have a weak password like that, it goes wayward and it makes it more difficult to score a penalty.
Yeah.
Whereas if they have a strong password, they're able to score more easily. So in that case, somebody had a really weak password, had to go further away, and they missed the goal completely and hit the tripod. So they know now that a strong password got real great chance of scoring and not hitting the tripod.
That's it, and it's a different way that kids learn. Some of them learn in a classroom environment. They hear stuff, they write stuff down, and then there's kinetic learning. There's kids here who are actually doing stuff, and that reinforces it all.
Not everybody, I didn't really get the classroom stuff, but then if you put it on a football field, I got it. And what we need to do here is just adapt different learning styles to different people. We don't all learn the same. So this reinforces the message and actually encourages them to go out into the community and maybe go back home and say, do you know what, we learned? We took penalties today, and actually if we were further away, it meant we had, we didn't have a very, very good password, and the parent might go, well, what do you mean? How does that? And they go, well, this we need to be greater, more safe online, and this is how we do it. And it might just reinforce it with somebody. A dad might get that more than just, we won't learn about safety online. Oh, another one. This is really working.
That's it. Well, red card. Who was that?
Move on! Get your score as quick as you can. Great. See what I mean? Madness, but it works, and the kids are going away. They've had loads of fun. Become a digital hero. And the outcome is Simon's got a shirt on.
Do you think they need another breeze block in the red wall?
Yes, definitely. I think. So I think every club at every school in Wales should be doing football.
Definitely.
This way. All right.
That's great.
Thanks.